What's up, guys? I just wanted to show a quick video on the things that I bought for the kayak. It's not much, but it's a slow process. But yeah. So let me just show you guys what I have, what I've done to the kayak, and yeah, hopefully it keeps building up slowly. But yeah, let me show you guys. So first thing I bought for the kayak was these scoper plugs. They're bigger, but I had to cut them just so that way they fit nice on these holes. So I bought 4 of these scoper plugs, 2 on that side, and then hopefully you guys can see, but 2 on this side, 1 right here, and then the other one right here. Then I also bought this bungee cord. Here, let me get some light. And then I just added it. I just put it more on the bottom so that I can get just a safer storage for anything that I want to put in here. Maybe a bag or something. But yeah, just in case I flip over or something, it's more secure to stay there. Hopefully. So that's this bungee cord. Then I went to Amazon and bought this package with J-hooks, sort of like these here. But yeah, I'm not sure where I'll be placing them, but I just wanted to buy some, and hopefully they come in handy in the future. That's about these. These here. So pretty nice. And these are waterproof. Coming with this. Make a hole, plug this in, and then you use the screw. So just about these, just for just if they come in handy next in the future. Also bought these, really cheap. I used it for this right here, just to keep it nice and tight. But yeah, so that's that. That's this. And then I also bought this bungee cord here. It came with this from Amazon, and this was all like $5, $4 to $5. So that's that. And then I went ahead and bought this life vest from Walmart, really cheap, $20, from Spider Wire, and very handy. It has a lot of compartments. So as you can see, that's the life jacket. So in here there's a lot of compartments. Nice little pocket. Right side we got this other pocket, and then this other one. Then on this side, same thing. Also like this, just you can probably use it for your phone or something. Won't fall off. So that's the life vest. And then I also bought this anchor for the kayak. Not sure how I'll be setting it up. I bought this from Amazon. It was like $10, I think. But yeah, so that's the anchor. And then I went ahead and bought a dry bag. Store your phone, wallet, keys, just anything that you don't want to get wet, just in case you flip over or something. This was like $5. I bought it at Bass Pro Shops. And then I went ahead and bought a cart for the kayak. Just so whenever you're taking it out, it's not like scraping the bottom if you're like dragging it. Put this on the bottom. And this was I bought it from Amazon. This was like $20. Really cheap, and comes in really handy if it's just like by yourself. But that's that. So that's pretty much it. It's the cart, dry bag, anchor, scoper plugs, bungee cord with some J hooks, and a life vest as well. So that's pretty much all I have right now. Like I said again, the cart, the dry bag, the anchor, the life vest, scope plugs, and J hooks. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and just a quick little update on what I've bought for the kayak. And then this weekend, today it is Tuesday, this weekend coming up, I will take it out, get some fishing for you guys finally. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. If you guys would like to see videos about saltwater fishing, let me know, because I do fish in the ocean. So just comment down below if you guys would like to see that in the future. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it again. Like the video, subscribe, and hopefully you guys see another video, a fishing video, in the weekend coming up. Thank you guys again. Have a good day.